Ready? Oh. Right, action.
Hi guys, Ronnie and Mindy here with R&M Arms in Minko, Oklahoma. It is Tuesday afternoon, March 11th, and we are going to draw for this Dead Air Sandman K suppressor. It's a 30 cal suppressor. We got 200 tickets in the hopper, and the last one will be the winner. Tax stamp is included on this.
First person out is
Mason Severin, Sean Ketcher, Lee Passmore, Steve Roberts, Wyatt Crittenbrink, Jason Schieber, Joby Toho, Kenny Looney, Javier Quinones, Tori Thomas, Sean Ketcher, Joshua Pitcher, Kenny Looney, Natalie Harrell, Robert Cotapony, Jeff Owen, Joshua Pitcher, Lee Passmore, Michael Ray, Jeff Munson, Tori Thomas, Rhett Phillips, Aiden Schultz, Sean Ketcher, Tara Rollins, Jeff Owen, Lee Passmore, Carol Dobson, Travis Bailey, Micah Carney, Jason Schieber, Lee Passmore, Kyle Hedrick, Jeff Munson, Sean Ketcher, Jason Schieber. They're stuck together. Joshua Pitcher, Brian Davis, Jason Schieber, Jennifer Green, Theron Dobson, Kenny Looney, Lee Passmore. Joby Toho, Lee Passmore, Steve Holmes, Jeff Munson, Steve Roberts, Nikki Day, Darren Peters, Brian Tilson, Wyatt Crittenbrink, Aiden Schultz, Theron Dobson,
first two on turns.
Joshua Pitcher, Kelton Green, Micah Carney, Jason Schieber, Nathan Mayhew, Brian Tilson, Robert Cotapony, Darren Peters, Kenny Looney, Lee Passmore, Brian Davis, Kenny Looney, Lee Passmore, Brandon Smith, Killer Carrie Ollick,
That's right, killer.
Joe Johnson, Brian Davis, Brandon McLemore, Michael Barton, Steve Roberts, Jason Schieber, Steve Holmes, Theron Dobson, Johnny Leathers.
Did you fill out Carrie? Killer Carrie? I filled yours out for you, Carrie. I heard that was your nickname in Africa.
Theron Dobson, Dustin Nagel, Jason Schieber, Carol Dobson, Tori Thomas, Sean Ketcher, Michael Ray, Micah Carney, Robert Cotapony, Kenny Looney, Theron Dobson, Justin Gabehart, Lee Passmore, Sean Ketcher, Carol Dobson, Peyton Mooter, Blake Lloyd, Carol Dobson, Tori Thomas, Logan Gillick, Theron Dobson, Travis Bailey, Jeff Munson, Steve Holmes, Carol Dobson, Theron Dobson, Michael Ray, Justin Gabehart, Brian Flannery, Nikki Day, Todd Walsh, Alex Sage, Lee Passmore, Robert Cotapony, Kenny Looney, Blake Bowling, Micah Carney, Lee Passmore, Darren Peters, Sean Ketcher, Jeff Munson, Michael Ray, Peyton Mooter, Brandon Smith, Darren Dobson, Austin Green, Nikki Day, Carol Dobson, Brian Tilson, Brandon Smith.
Didn't get very many.
Brandon Smith, Jonathan Stitt, Robert Russell, Brandon Smith, Lee Passmore, Sean Ketcher, Ross Edwards, Steve Holmes, Kenny Looney, Tanner Toho, Darren Peters, Ross Edwards, Brandon McLemore, Brandon Smith, Jeff Owen, Tanner Toho, Ross Edwards, Carol Dobson, Logan Gillick, Carol Dobson, Sean Ketcher, Josh Castrop, Tara Rollins, Lee Passmore, Carol Dobson, Todd Walsh, Tori Thomas, Alex Sage. Lee Passmore, Mason Severin, Theron Dobson, Justin Gapehart, Lee Passmore, Steve Holmes, Darren Peters, Alex Sage, Kenny Looney, Lee Passmore, Blake Bowling, Joby Toho, Clay Hurley,
They made it far.
Austin Green, Brian Tilson, Lee Passmore, Kenny Looney, Nathan Mayhew, Steve Roberts, Ryan Flannery, Lee Passmore, Jason Schieber, Brian Davis, Sniper Sean Olick. Brian Davis, Lee Passmore, Javier Quinones, Sean Ketcher, Steve Roberts, Brandon Smith, Carol Dobson, Joby Toho, Wyatt Crittenbrink, Justin Hurley, Tanner Toho, Micah Carney, Brandon Smith, Joe Johnson, Brian Davis.
3 left.
Last 3. Theron Dobson,
2 left.
last 2.
Don't look.
Brandon Smith, and the winner
chicken dinner is.
is the winner. Brandon Smith, that's funny. Brandon, congratulations, you're the winner of a Dead Air Sandman case. So come see us sometime this week and
Meant to be.
get your fingerprints done and get your paperwork done for this suppressor. And we'll have a couple of cool things coming up in the next couple of days. We'll probably announce that tomorrow. So
Something big.
there will be something big probably this week. Really big,
You don't need it, but you want it.
but you want it. Thanks.
Thank you, guys.